Oh, I can't get anyone. Sorry, chef. Sorry, bud. Are you gonna lick my finger? Oh, that was my finger. Thank you. If you would like to visit with them, you may. This is my period round. Yes. No one eat this. Hey, look at okay. So we just started the day. I don't even, maybe it's 10 o'clock. We've had one row and one food. Should we just do Mike on gray and black? Catalog? Yeah, I think so. I don't think we need them all. We've done black and white and we have done Thank you guys so much. It's your time to shine. Can she walk from one side to another, do you think, or that's too much?
I said, eat down. Okay.
Oh! He's so we gotta get that video. We gotta get that video.
I said, thank you. Thank you.
Oh. Soup number 2. Oh my god, that's gorgeous.
Good girl. Good girl.
The fact that we have this legend is, I'm honored. Like, I can't believe that I get to rejoice you on all your travels. The rooms are. Oh, boy. Thank you. We're so honored. Thank you so much. We were like so excited to get him. Look at this big boy. I think the music mixed with the chaos really that's like there's a vibe.